Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the sheet. Clean duplicates, trim whitespace, and ensure consistent data types so formatting behaves predictably. Once done, set a theme and pick a legible font and base size to create visual consistency across tabs. Next, freeze the header row, create named ranges for critical tables, and protect any formula cells so edits don't break layout. These first actionable steps reduce chaos and let you apply styles and structures that scale as the sheet grows. You now refine structure and visual cues. Apply conditional formatting rules to flag top values, overdue dates, and anomalies so readers scan for meaning instantly. Make custom number formats for currency, percentages, and compact large numbers. This keeps alignment and comprehension tight. Group related columns, set consistent column widths, and deploy filters and slicers for interactive filtering. As you work, make sure styles are applied via cell styles or paint format, so future rows inherit the design without extra effort. You finish by adding a cover sheet with a brief legend, date, and author so viewers orient immediately. Then set print ranges and test PDF export to confirm spacing. Tidy final touches include aligning decimals, adding subtle borders, and inserting small whitespace columns to improve scannability. If something looks off, first inspect merged or wrapped cells and conflicting conditional rules. Reapply styles using paint format to restore consistency. That single troubleshooting tip will fix most layout breakages quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.